welcome to winter edition of BrownManTravels, people. Today is the first snowfall of the year, so to celebrate this start of winter season, I'm going to my favorite place in Metro Detroit, Maybury State Park. I hear this winter is going to be brutally cold / with a lot of snow, so lots of stuff to look forward to. Hopefully it isn't as bad as 2018 Midwest winter where it was super cold. Anywho, yeah, so I'm on my way to Maybury State Park. It's about a 20-minute drive. It is quite snowy out here. I wouldn't say like super blizzard conditions yet, but yeah, first snowfall of the year. So people are still gonna drive like it's summer without their headlights on and not braking early, etc, etc. So yeah, let's see you guys at Maybury. We are here at Maybury State Park. Look at that. It is snowy and it is beautiful. I love snow, but I hate cold, so there's a difference. So yeah, this is the horseback riding entrance. I think that's what it's called. There are two entrances. It is so pretty out here when a fresh coat of snow. It's always pretty. So yeah, horse trail crossing. I gotta do that one day, come here for a horse ride. That would be cool. Me and my sister did that in Utah. I wish I captured good videos back then, but I didn't invest in cameras, so I don't have a good footage of that. Anywho, here we are. Look at this. So here we are, doing a quick hike during snow, the first snow of the season. I have taken this trail many times, I would say 10 times. It goes around this pond or lake, whatever you want to call it, but totally different scenery compared to summer or fall. Yeah, look at this. Wow. Quite different. Everything's frozen or frozen-ish. I don't think the water is completely frozen. This is still solid ground, but yeah, I don't think the water is frozen yet. I think the first ever video that I made at Maybury State Park was also in winter, in the dead of winter, so there was a lot more snow and it was a sunny day, so it was nice. But yeah, for the first snowfall of the season, this is quite a bit of snow. I would say this is an inch, maybe 2 of snowfall, but it's supposed to last until 5 p.m. It's currently 2 p.m. right now, so yeah, it's good as long as it's 0 degrees Celsius. 0 to 5 is like my comfortable cold range, and it snows perfectly normal. But things get dicey around January and February when it is in the negative 10 and teens Celsius, you know. But yeah, January, February does get a lot really cold. But oh boy, this looks so different during like the fall season. Everything was a mix of green, orange, red, yellow leaves, and you know, you had the forest canopy, but now you don't because the leaves are gone and the trees are in hibernation mode right now. So yeah, this is the pond. It's a pond. I wouldn't call it a lake. Pond slash lake area that I come here to enjoy the views. But now we're gonna try to fly this drone and see what happens. So let's see. All right.
The whole point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Let's take off. Bye bye pond. See you next time. So yeah, totally different season. This is another reason why I actually like living in Michigan, is you can see all the seasons. You know, you got blasting heat during summer. Whoops, I thought I brought an extra set of fully charged batteries, but I did not. So this one has 40% charge left. So let's see, we'll make it. Alright, 1080p, screw 4K. Anyways, as I was saying, I really like living in Michigan because I think it has a good balance of everything. You can see all the seasons, you know, blasting heat during the summer. You got snow and cold weather during winter, and you can actually see colors changing in fall. So it's definitely a huge blessing to be able to see all the seasons. Yeah, we're almost done. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's a black squirrel, completely black. Crap, I should have brought more spare batteries, but oh well, lesson learned. Come back, squirrel, come back. So yeah, Michigan has a good balance of everything, in my opinion. And I know I keep saying that a lot over all my videos, but it is true. If you're in the US, come to Michigan. It has almost everything. Let's check it out. Yeah, that is a trail. Alright, this is something that caught my eyes. Alright, spring and fall freeze/thaw conditions. Okay. They're strongly urging anyone to avoid riding the trails during freeze-thaw period. Water from the melting snow cannot pass through the frozen ground, so it puddles on the trail surface. This trail is known to be very wet during these times of the year. It runs across a drainage area from the Maybury Pond. There you go, some DNR tips. Anywho, we're almost done with our quick hike. It's supposed to be a quick hike. Let's see, yeah, 40 minutes. Obviously I didn't capture 40 minutes worth of footage because nobody would watch it. Let's be real, this isn't that exciting. I know. But it is cool though. I don't know if the camera picked up, but I heard chipmunks or birds making a lot of noise. Kinda cool. Alright, there you go. This is the end of the trail. Ooh. I hear them again. It's coming somewhere from there. Pretty cool. Anywho, let's get back to our car and call it a day. A few cars here. People walking their dogs. People coming out for a post-Thanksgiving, let's burn those calories off walk. So yeah. Alright, let's get back in this truck. Alright, this is the end of this quick Sunday hike. Thank you so much for joining me on this quick adventure to welcome the snow season, winter season of this year. Hopefully I can bring you guys more exciting content and show all the beautiful things that Michigan has to offer. Until next time, peace out.